This is the Helle Algonquin neck knife in 1 minute. See, the Algonquin was inspired by the woods, lakes, and rivers of Algonquin Park in Ontario, Canada. The knife features a stout 69mm or 2.7-inch blade that's a great size for getting up over top of to make controlled movements when carving, cleaning your catch, or other associated camp chores. The handle is made from darkened oak and curly birch. Now, I find that neck knives in general come into their own in two circumstances. One is during the winter, where trying to re-sheath a knife with a heavy jacket on can lead to slicing your jacket or the sheath. So having something up around your neck that's easier to get to is really handy. The other instance is when canoeing in the summer, when again, getting in and out of a canoe with something hanging off your hip can sometimes catch you up. So having it around your neck can keep things clear and easy. So if you're looking for a little neck knife that'll get the job done, check out the Helle Algonquin.